Hey, also I'd like to walk you through on the changes in the new Excalidraw update. And so first of all, I've added export functions to export your image as an SVG or a PNG file. And this comes in multiple flavors. First of all, in the settings, I've created 5 new settings, and let me just show you these settings right here. So this is the embed image settings. And first of all, you can configure whether you want to embed your image with the background color and using the theme of the image. You can also configure the plugin to auto export an SVG file. So if I turn this on, whenever I create a new drawing, automatically the plugin will maintain an SVG file next to it, as well as I can click this to keep the SVG or PNG file name in sync with the file, i.e. if I rename the file, the other file will be renamed as well. Let me show you how this works. So if I come here and create a new drawing, then you can see that that drawing was created. So this is my demo, that's going to be my drawing, and I'm going to just draw a box here, and maybe I'm just going to add some, this is some text, whatever. So that's my simple drawing. If now I come back to my daily notes page, you can see that automatically this image was created as an SVG image, and yes, you can go ahead and insert this SVG image without any issues. And if you do this, then you will see that this SVG image is embedded. So you can actually use the image to embed it. This will make your markdown platform independent. So here's the image. And the file name, the automatic sync of the file name means that if I come here and I just rename this to demo, then you can see that the name of my SVG was automatically renamed to demo. The PNG works exactly the same, so I'm going to spare you the demonstration of that, but you can imagine. Coming with this, I have another export option. If you have an active drawing and you press, you open up the command palette and you search for the Excalidraw commands, then you will find and export the current drawing as a PNG or as an SVG. Since I already have an SVG, I'm just going to click now the PNG, and you can see that in the same folder where you have the drawing with the same name, a PNG image was created. So you can simply do an export of your image like this. And then what I wanted to show you is, I think that's all regarding the export of the images. I've added other new command palette actions as well. So when you're creating a new image, you can do some settings. So first of all, let me just show you this. So if I come here, now I have create a new drawing and open a new pane, and I have this other option of open an existing drawing and open a new pane, and I have created a new drawing and open on the currently active pane. So what this does is, if I click to open the new drawing on a new pane, then it will split the current pane and it will open it on the side. If on the other hand I will choose the other option, which is create a new drawing on the currently active pane, then it will open it on top of the existing pane. And you can see, by the way, the SVGs are generated automatically all the time. I'm going to now switch that function off, but You can see that that's working. Here on the ribbon button, I've added an option. So the ribbon button is here on the left. And if you turn this on, you can toggle whether you want to open a new drawing on the active document or in a new pane next to it. So if I turn this on and now I click the ribbon button, then you see that it opens on the side. I also added some changes to the SVG styling when embedding as a code block. And so let me just choose the transclude command here, and let me just bring in my demo drawing. And now if I type here left and then I switch to preview mode, then you see that the image is rendered on the left. If I write here right, then the image is rendered on the right. If I leave this empty, then it will get to the default location. And also with this comes 4 CSS settings that you can customize to your heart's desire, and these settings are listed right here. So hopefully you like these changes. Oops, and one more change I forgot. So there was a bug in the system in terms of loading library images. That should now be solved. So it was unpredictable that the library image is loaded or not. Now hopefully that issue is also resolved. So I hope you like these changes. Thank you.